Dinner at Nostalgia was a fun night out. After much debate, the sisters decided not to try the breaded brains. That's right, you saw it on the menu. They have breaded brains. We chose to have our meals on a lava stone. So they bring out the bibs, and then the bubbling stones loaded with our meals.
So you put the butter underneath like that. Then when you flip it, and then you put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. And then you can flip it over. Now they got batter in it, so you cut the fat, so it'll lie down nicely, like that. And then you wait. Now we were also thinking of
I ended up taking it off the spit so that I could flip them separately while they're cooking on the lava stone. That was done. And they come with sauces you can dip them in. I'm doing a meeting. Yummy.